students and for always making sure we are safe, comfortable, and happy at school. I truly enjoy working with Montessori materials. Pouring beans and sand in the practical life area helped me improve my focus and concentration. In the language area, the movable alphabet box made it fun to compose and read words with consonant blends. Math became easier and more engaging with the help of the number rods and the decimal box with the golden beads, which helped me understand addition and the subtraction more clearly. And of course, a very special thank you to our dear parents and families. Thank you for preparing everything we needed and bringing us to school each day, helping us with our homework and school activities. Thank you for believing in us, supporting us, and cheering us on every step of the way. You were always there with a warm hug whenever we needed one. We are so grateful for your unconditional love. We couldn't have done this without you. And to my friends and schoolmates, we shared so many fun moments and made new memories together. Thank you for all the giggles and hugs, for teaming up during school activities, and for simply being there every day. You made each day feel like an adventure, and I will always remember those happy moments with a smile. That's what makes CASA so special. Not just the learning, but the love that fills everything we do. One day, I hope to become a fashion designer. I want to create beautiful dresses and other clothing that help people like my friends feel confident and proud of who they are. Though I feel a little sad that our journey in Advanced CASA is coming to an end. But I'm also excited what's ahead. First grade! I'm ready to learn even more, make new friends, and continue growing. Advanced CASA has given me everything I need to take the next step. So goodbye, Advanced CASA. You were truly amazing, and I will miss you. Thank you, OBMC, for the love, care, and guidance you've given to all of us. I believe that OBMC will continue to help me grow and become the best person I can be. I'm looking forward to all the new things I will discover in the future. Thank you, OB Montessori Center, for helping us grow every day. Thank you, everyone, and congratulations to all of us.
Thank you, Audie, for your heartwarming speech. It has been a tradition